How to reduce noise in Camera Raw. There are two different ways to reduce noise in Adobe Camera Raw. One is to use the manual noise reduction method, and the other is to use the AI-based tool, the denoise feature. To use the manual noise reduction method, open your image in Camera Raw. Go to File, Open, select your RAW image, and it will automatically open in Camera Raw. In the right-hand panel, click the Detail tab. Go to the Manual Noise Reduction section. Adjust the sliders gradually to avoid over-smoothing. Once you're satisfied, click Open to bring the image into Photoshop. To use the denoise feature, do the same as before. Open your image in Photoshop. On the right panel, go to the Detail tab. Click Denoise. A preview window will pop up. Use the amount slider to control how much noise is removed. Start around 50% and adjust. You can zoom and pan to see the before and after. Now click Enhance. Camera Raw will create a new DNG file with a noise reduction applied. Once done, you'll see both the original and the enhanced version in your film strip. Click Open to bring the image into Photoshop, or Done to save edits without opening.